खुशियों का आओ लहराए हम, जीवन की सरगम पे धुन ऐसी गाए हम। ये उत्सव अपनों का यूं जश्न मनाए हम, अंबर से तारों को लाके घर को सजाए हम। हे सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। हे बर्फीले मौसम का राही आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। हे बर्फीले मौसम का राही आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। जोड़े मन से मन आओ मुस्काए हम, भूले कल के आंसू यूं हंसे हंसाए हम। क्या है क्यों है ये सबको बतलाए हम, सबके दिल में खुशियों का एहसास जगाए हम। हे सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। हे बर्फीले मौसम का राही आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। पल है खुशियों का आओ लहराए हम, जीवन की सरगम पे धुन ऐसी गाए हम। ये उत्सव अपनों का यूं जश्न मनाए हम, अंबर से तारों को लाके घर को सजाए हम। हे सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है। हे बर्फीले मौसम का राही आया है, देने हमको सपने मीठे झोली लाया है।
Today we have gathered here, just as we do for practically all the years, to have a small celebration of Christmas and what we call it pre-Christmas. The actual Christmas is 25th. So today all of you are wearing the red Santa Claus cap, right? So there is a real story, the beautiful story about this cap, right? So this reminds of Santa Claus, and who is actually Santa Claus, and why Santa Claus has become so famous, and why this cap we are wearing to celebrate Christmas. It goes back to 3rd century somewhere, right? So to 280 AD, there was a famous saint by name Saint Nicholas, right? Somewhere in Turkey he lived, present Turkey, and he was very generous. He was a monk, Christian monk, and he was very generous. He would go out to find poor people, to help those who were in need, right? If suppose an old man lived, he did not have warm clothes, he will go and give that clothes to this old man, and without announcing who he is, nobody knew who actually was helping poor people, right? And so this Saint Nicholas, he kept on doing, without revealing his identity. He did not want good name, he did not want recognition, but he wanted to do good to people, especially those who were poor, those who needed help. And there is, if you browse through your Google, you will find there is a famous story, real story, that during that time there was the practice of selling people, the slavery system. 3 daughters were there. The father was, because he didn't have money, he was about to sell 3 daughters, right? So this saint quietly he went and gave coins in their home, without being noticed, and thus he was able to save these 3 daughters from being sold into slavery. So like that, this Santa Claus has many, Saint Nicholas has many good stories, how he has helped hundreds, thousands of people during his lifetime. As time went on, and this 6th December was his, either it was birthday or his death day. So that day was considered to be very lucky day. 6th December, people did business on that day, people purchased property, sold property, because that's lucky day. And slowly, as people of Europe came to America, sometime in the 17th, 18th century, they started celebrating the life of Saint Nicholas somewhere in December, so that people started, like Saint Nicholas started giving to others, right, helping poor people. And later on, still more stories developed, and Santa Claus became a secretive character. You will hear many stories about Santa Claus, movies you will hear, children in Europe and America, they will talk about Santa Claus. Someone, just on the night of Christmas, they will make a Christmas tree, decorate with the light. And children believe that Santa Claus, whatever you wish to Santa Claus, next morning you get up on Christmas Day, you will find the gift there. You wished cycle will be there, right? So, such a beautiful stories. Even now, especially the Christians in Europe and America and other countries, of course, here also, the practice of Santa Claus is very tender story, beautiful story that tells, like, there is somebody who cares whatever you wish, and especially the poor people they get. So on Christmas Day, in Christian tradition, there is especially America and Europe, they would wish the children will go to bed on Christmas Day and they will tell their parents, I wish Santa Claus would give me this. And next morning they will find that. And of course, the story is because they tell their parents make sure the gift is there. Yeah. So, but children, they look forward to the Santa Claus story very tenderly, right, lovingly. So then, they will also, there is another aspect of Santa Claus story.